Are you looking for an easy-to-use and efficient excavator guidance system? We've got you covered. Meet the G31 Lite, the ultimate excavator guidance system designed for beginners. Enjoy the quick and hassle-free setup, done by just one person within 1 hour. No learning curve in operation. Simply power it on and you're ready to dig. All the construction process takes only one operator to finish, delivering precise results while cutting down on costly labor expenses. The G31 Lite boasts great adaptability that covers a wide range of scenarios, including trench excavation, land grading, foundation pit elevation, and pipeline construction. It offers 3 versatile functions that cater to your daily precision construction needs: depth and slope mode for accurate excavation, on-site design for seamless project planning, straight line navigation to keep you on track. Choose FJDynamics, your all-in-one expert for digital construction solutions.